Today we're going to talk about identifying the parts of an effective paragraph. Before we get started, I wanted to ask you guys a quick question. Why do we write? What's the purpose of writing these paragraphs? Daniel?
To communicate.
To communicate, that's exactly right. So the point of writing is to effectively communicate your ideas with others. So all of these parts of an effective paragraph that we're going to talk about are just there to help you communicate effectively. And so the metaphor that I've come up with for all of these parts is a house. And each part of an effective paragraph is represented by a part of the house. So your first part is going to be your topic sentence. The topic sentence is the first sentence that you read in your paragraph, and it gives you an idea of what is going to be talked about in that paragraph. It sort of introduces your subject, and that's represented by the roof of your house. The next part are your supporting evidence. And those are represented by the walls of your house, because your supporting evidence supports your topic sentence. Your supporting evidence is how you know that your topic sentence is true. Okay? The next part of an effective paragraph is your conclusion. And that's represented by the floor of your house, because the conclusion sort of wraps the paragraph up and makes it a whole. The last part of an effective paragraph is your spelling, your grammar, punctuation, etc. And that's sort of a really broad category, and those are represented by the materials you choose to make your house. So the materials you make a paragraph with are your words and your sentences. And you don't want to make a house with poor materials, so you don't want to make your paragraph with poorly constructed sentences or misspelled words or anything like that. So our house is our metaphor, and all of these different parts of an effective paragraph are represented by different parts of the house. So up here I have an example paragraph for you guys, and I've highlighted each sentence in a different color, and what I wanted to do is go through and talk about what part of an effective paragraph each sentence is. So can anyone tell me what this yellow sentence is? Yes, Sage?
Is it the topic sentence?
Yes, that's a topic sentence. So can you tell me what a topic sentence is?
It's the first sentence in a paragraph.
Yes, and what does it do?
It describes what you're going to be talking about.
Exactly, so it introduces you to your subject. What about this blue sentence? Yes, Daniel?
Supporting evidence sentence.
Exactly. What does your supporting evidence do?
It refers back to your topic sentence and supports it. Whatever you said in the topic sentence.
Uh-huh. Yeah, exactly like that. Good. What about this pink one right here?
More supporting evidence.
Good, Tia. More supporting evidence. Exactly. And what about this green one?
More supporting evidence.
More supporting evidence. That's right. So all three of these go back to this idea that's presented in yellow to show why it's true. Why is this statement true? All right, and what about this orange one down at the bottom?
It's the conclusion.
Exactly, that's the conclusion. So it refers back to your topic sentence and kind of wraps it back up to that first idea you were presented. Now I have a few words underlined in here. Also, finally, and overall. Can anyone tell me what these words are?
Transition words.
Yes, exactly, Sage. Those are transition words. So what transition words do is help you flow smoothly from one sentence to the next. And those can be thought of as part of your materials that you build your house, like along with your spelling and your grammar and your punctuation. So you use your transition words to help each sentence flow smoothly from one to the next. All right, so to help you guys remember all of these different things that I've taught you today, I've come up with a really fun chant that I'm going to show you guys, and then we're going to do it together a couple of times, and hopefully it'll help you kind of retain everything we've talked about today. Okay? So here's how it goes. Parts of a paragraph 1 through 4, topic sentence opens the door, supporting evidence backs it up, and your conclusion wraps it up. Then there's grammar, that's your hammer. Okay? So will you guys please do that with me a couple of times?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Parts of the paragraph 1 through 4, topic sentence opens the door, supporting evidence backs it up, and your conclusion wraps it up. Then there's grammar, that's your hammer. Good job. All right, thank you guys for participating today. I really appreciate it.